Tini Tulasika Rasnagar area wa Tamungani Jagamu. Huh? Badlabari Faisok Pika, Chini Tako Okra, Daranjon, Tini Chong Yakari Bo Hayama Yakari Belay Kakamjak, Belay Dukot, Belay Costo, Tini Faisok Wajak, Bong Nok Hook Tong Terapun Jagari, Gayamahina Buni Nox and Nogar in Gana Wakacha, Borok Chikons and Nok Tangjak Painopika, Belay Bukawa Costonaka, Amunga Tini Boni Logi Chung Tongo, or Tinango Chung Jaman Brono Logi Tanai, Te Chung Tinoza Painopika. Bini logi song te bini chere krone bare khara chuchu borok porelai tongjawo bini sajo khroksani porikha tini tongmani bini porikha tini misongi thanjaka ingai te bini chere bo class 6 pore tonglai jawo borok tula sikori school khormai no awni bangene bone kuno income source lamate kuno korai chung paikhana bike bone kuno te abahi bini logi song chori chai ani bisinte borok bini logi song no treatment khaine jaga wa borok boni ration card bo bini thani bondo ro mari kharo ni khanawo abna belai kharo masinja Aban chung tibrasa chung taku bukuk dari joto chung khairagoi borona chung chubana nango mahai jarawa borbo bangkupalo borbo kaham nung namu chung na borbo ginang nung namu chung na hipa bangkupal chayani bangai ba sep kahamai ani bangai borbo mahai jarawa klai chung na abai chung joto na pal ke borona phari logeri wai chung borona domsawai buskang agoi tilangna bangai chung chai tongnai te boni chare khonai rangna chung lekha pora khaidina chung joto na pal kai o jaga kosam kupur hilai chung joto pal tibrasa te tibrasa kiching mahai gen chung chubalai buskang agoi thanai na bangai joto nang kobogo Today we came here to visit our brother Ranjan Deburma, who died today. So he came in their family and visit. They have two children, minor children, and even his wife is also quite poor. They didn't have any house or any other things. They are totally in sad condition. Even they lended their ration card also to some others for their husband treatment. So in this case, we appeal all the Indian citizen, all the Indian people plus on the Triprasa people and state government of Tripura, please do visit their family and do help in this condition. They are in quite difficult. So I request to everyone to come and visit in their family at Tulasikar under Badlabali, adhesive list. Thank you.